Hello everyone, welcome to our new session, video number 19 for our house events application. Today we will talk about styling this main index view and how to apply some CSS design tricks. We will learn about Zen coding, and at the end of this module, the idea here is to change this bulleted list of events along with their username to something more user friendly. And yeah, so I have created a little bit of layout here. So we would like to show a calendar type look and feel like July 12th. This will be our this event date, and then the host person and what is the event. So something like that. Actually, again, I am not good with CSS and not my design skill, but here we will learn a couple of those things which are easier to implement and they can enhance the visibility a little bit more. So let's start doing this. So this will be our parent container, the outer rectangle, and we can say it's a div. Inside that we have two div, one div for date and one div is for details. In this date div, we have then again two divs, one for month and one for the day. And here we have one for the host person name and one for the event type. So this is kind of the structure we will try to implement in this, and maybe in the next, yeah, I will split it in two parts because, yeah, just to keep the things short and simple. Okay, so let's move on. Let's go to our index view. Okay, so here as you can see in the database, I have already some data available. So this li will be as like our container, outer container. Inside that container, now let's create div for date part, this part. Okay, there is a way that we can simply go there and create a div and give it a class date. You can do that. That's totally legal. And but let me show you some other thing. And this is called Zen coding. If you recall, we installed Web Essentials in our couple of maybe first or second video. So let's use that one. If you type here something like that, div dot and the name of the class, let's say in my case it is date class, and press tab, you got this one. Let's bring this one, yeah, furthermore useful. We will do something like div date. We want a div with class name date, and next to that plus we want another div called details. So this is a group. Let's put, you can play with this one as you like, parenthesis. So we have now two divs. This is Zen coding Web Essentials. So in this first div, let's say this div, we want two more divs, one for day, one for the month, and one for the day, and so on. So if we use for a child element, we will use this greater than symbol, and here will be our div dot month. This is the first div, and next to that we want div dot day. Similar to that, we want div dot host and div dot let's say call this one event type. I'm looking, okay, let me call this one event type and put the cursor at the end, press tab. So you generated this structure. You can do it as the way you like it. So in first div, actually, let me go there and put this one. Let's now arrange our razor code accordingly. So here in the date div, we will put here our we have events. Okay, so var event. So add event dot datetime dot toString specify the format. I want this format, MMM for month. and now come for the day at event dot datetime dot toString, and let's again specify the format and D, and let me give it, because it's for short date, and a space, just we are interested in the day part, numeric number, this one. In the details bytes at event dot person dot, and we are interested in the name, and for the event type at event dot event type dot name. And if we try to run this one, it will give us an exception, because we need to now eager load the event types in our controller as well. So let's go to the home controller, and we are here including the host person. Let's include the event type as well. Equals to event type. That's it. Let's run this one and see if everything is working at this stage. Okay, I guess I have to go there. Okay, so it looks like now this way. Okay, so let me just quickly remove this one. Actually, I don't need this one anymore, because we already have all this information in our divs. And if it allow me to refresh it, just quickly saving it. So we got yeah, this kind of information. It's not that different what we already have. And in the next video, now we will be going to style all these divs, that it should have structure like that. You can go ahead and give it a try, and in the next video I will share with you guys that how I will style it using some simple CSS styles, and that would be fun. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.